Hey there folks, my name is Luke, this is Susie, and this is the Outdoor Gear Review where we are officially into the winter. It's snowy, it's cold, it's windy. Right now, we're looking at about like 18, 19 degrees.
Super cold.
She's freezing. I'm okay.
Yeah.
I should have brought a
Yeah.
toboggan, but
You have no feelings at all. You
none.
feel nothing.
I feel nothing. I've been told that before, but that's okay. It is a viewer mail episode, and we have tons of really cool stuff to show off to you all that the viewers have sent in.
Yeah.
I am blown away.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, I say this every single time. I'm blown away. Our viewers are the best. You guys are more generous than I think we deserve. I don't know.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, folks, we appreciate you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, without delay, let's take a look at some of these packages.
All right. So, you're going to do it?
No, I'm not gonna do
Oh.
it. There's so many people here because it's like a couple days after Christmas. We've already seen people and kids, so I'm not gonna start screaming.
It is busy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's busy.
So, okay, that's all right.
So who
all
does
right.
this come from?
This is a little treat for us.
Treat, eh?
Yes. So, this comes from PJ's Snacks.
Okay.
And they know that you don't really care for pretzels,
Right.
but they thought you might enjoy some of their flavors. They have gourmet infused pretzels. Knowing your love of coffee, our cinnamon and sugar pretzels go especially well with coffee.
Sounds awesome.
They call it their breakfast pretzel.
Ah.
So,
Cool.
anyway, they say thank you for encouraging the entrepreneur, the small business person, and the outdoorsman.
Pamela here with PJ Snacks is right. I dislike pretzels, and I don't even remember what video that was, but I do not like pretzels. I never have. So it will
Well-
be interesting to try one of these.
It's okay, folks. I'm going to make him try these. So,
Yeah. And even if I hate them, I have a whole family that loves pretzels. So
or maybe you'll love them. You
Maybe
never
so.
know. So, they have gourmet pretzels. This is chipotle flavor.
what?
So, I'll let you hold that one.
Okay.
Cinnamon and sugar pretzels.
We have to try that one.
Yeah, they told you had to
Yeah.
try that one. And it looks like there's one more in here.
All right.
Original ranch. These look great,
Ooh,
guys.
Original ranch.
Yeah, these look good. Yeah, I'll try them. I like
Oh
pretzels.
god.
What?
I opened this bag like a. Look at that. All right.
Cinnamon sugar?
Mmm.
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 Mmm. Oh. Mm.
It's cinnamon, sugar, and just very little pretzel, which I happen to like.
Those are great.
I like it a lot. I don't love it because it still is a pretzel. There's that pretzel that kicks in later on.
Mm-hmm. I think they're great. I really do.
If you love pretzels, you will love that.
Yep. PJsSnacks.com is their website. So if you need more of PJ Snacks, check out their website.
Cool.
Very cool.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Pamela. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thanks for sending these in. I think they're really good.
Where are we? It's the pretzel at the end that
But you don't like?
You can mask the pretzel only so much. Let's move on with the viewer mail.
All right.
So, which one should we go to?
Why
Box,
don't you
bag?
go to the bag?
All right.
The bag.
Now, folks, this is so cool. This is from my buddy Eric, and he said that he was sending us some hot beef jerky. And it is not hot beef jerky.
Luke is like, where's my hot beef jerky? I think he'll get over it, folks, because check this out.
Yes, check this out. Essentially, what this is a Fjallraven Long John set. It's tops and it's bottoms. It's so freaking cool. It is so cool. First off, I like the bag here with the carabiners. That's really neat. Fjallraven rocks. They absolutely rule.
Not to mention the cute little logo. Do you remember someone showed us, like, in Denmark, they serve cookies in
Oh, yeah.
the little Arctic Fox cookies. I'm
Right.
like, send us some cookies.
Send us some cookies.
Send us an Arctic Fox cookie.
So check this out. Here's the pair of Long Johns.
Those are nice.
Yeah, these are super nice, super nice. So here's the top. This is made from a merino wool blend. Super nice. I mean, just incredibly nice. I cannot wait to use this. I will be carrying this set with me on my next overnight adventure, which is coming up very, very soon. Eric, my friend, thank you so very much. I'm blown away. I was expecting hot beef jerky. I got something much better. Yeah.
Yes, so cool. Very cool.
It's so cold that I'm actually considering putting this on.
It is
I
so
should,
cold.
actually. Eric, thank you, buddy. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Okay, so moving on to the box. Now, this one was quite the surprise. I really appreciate what Peter has sent here because I want to eat all of it. All of it. Yeah.
Yeah,
What do you think about this box?
it's so cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
Peter, you're awesome. You know, I saw where you reached out on Facebook and you wanted to send a bunch of food in. It's just really awesome. Your generosity is awesome. And it's so cool for Luke and I because we get to try foods from all around the world.
Yeah.
You know?
Things that
And
we've never heard of, we
Yeah.
would have never experienced.
never, ever.
Yeah.
Let's get into the
Yeah.
box so that they can see what you got so excited about.
Okay. So it's all in this bag. Every item here is Polish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't read a single word on most of it, but it all looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to be taking some of this stuff with me on my next overnight trips because, let's see, there was one thing that I wanted to eat immediately. I want to eat this right here. Hopefully, camera zooms in on that. I don't know. This is Hunter's pork stew from Poland.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I bet you this is going to be one hearty meal
Oh,
right here.
definitely.
I mean, it has fresh cabbage, sauerkraut, pork meat, pork bacon, all the stuff that I love.
So we'll go through the box quickly. There's so many items
Yeah,
in here. It's
there's
so,
so much.
awesome. All from Poland. Really cool.
Yep.
Chocolates. Lots of chocolate candy.
Oh yeah, all sorts of different chocolate bars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hazelnut chocolate bars. And you know this stuff's going to be good.
That's right. Now let's see, we have some pretzels, which I will give to the family. You guys know how I feel about pretzels, don't you?
Oh, we'll try one. We'll get them to try one.
Yeah.
And wafers. I mean, this stuff looks so good. Lots of wafers.
Honey
That's
graham
what it
things?
reminds me of.
Yeah.
We have almonds in chocolate.
We have all sorts of soup. We have like a tomato soup, mushroom soup.
Hazelnuts in chocolate.
This is Special Village Pate. This has water, pork liver, pork fat, pork meat, eggs, and so on. I cannot wait to eat this.
So when Luke saw this box, he was already planning, you know, a whole adventure, taking food from this on his trip.
Definitely.
We have hot tea here, some kind of cookie, like,
These.
oh, those look
We have
so
to break
good.
into these right
Yeah.
now. Yeah, take a look at these guys. It looks like a cracker with jelly on it, covered in chocolate
I
or
know,
something.
it looks so good.
Yeah.
Let me go over this real quick. Peter and his wife, Margaret, they have 3 children, Emily, Olivia, and Matthew. Hey, guys.
Hey.
You're his favorite YouTuber,
Oh,
which is
cool.
awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Olivia wrote the letter, so thank you, Olivia.
Wow, you are awesome, Olivia. Good
Did a
job.
great job writing it.
Yes.
And you guys sent so much delicious Polish food, and we're so excited.
Everybody, you are all so very awesome. I think we've said awesome like 100 times in this video.
Probably. We need a new word.
Yeah. You guys rule. I mean, you really do. The generosity from all of you guys just blows me away. I mean,
Yeah.
it really does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, without further ado, I think we're going to tear into the cookies.
Let's try one. All right. After you love?
All right. Do you smell that?
No, not yet.
Oh my gosh, the orange is really, really good.
Oh my
It
gosh.
just, oh gosh. Wow.
Wow. Dang. So it's like an orange jelly or
Maybe.
yeah. Ooh. Very interesting. So you had like the cookie, and then it's raised here covered in chocolate.
It smells so good though. Cheers.
Mwah. I don't know why I do
I
that.
don't know. We just do weird stuff.
All right, let's go. Oh. Mmm. Oh my goodness. I've never had anything like that before.
That's really good.
A very soft cookie covered in orange jelly.
With chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
And it's so light. That's really good. I think we're going to have to wrap this up, take these cookies home, get some coffee.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that good?
Peter and family. Those are the best cookies I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that is unreal.
It's our type of cookie. It's not really sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It says these are European biscuits, orange European biscuits. thank you all so very much. Again, I have to say how appreciative we are. Yeah, you guys rock. Thank you. Thank you
Yep.
so much.
Thank you guys.
Yep. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful new year. 2018 is upon us right now, so let's start the year off right. Everyone, be safe, stay warm, strength and honor.
Bye.
See ya.